Fire in the Hole is the newest and most expensive ride in Silver Dollar City's history. It cost $30 million and just opened in 2024. It's the largest indoor roller coaster in the Midwest. This is the second generation of Fire in the Hole. The original one opened in 1972 and ran until the end of the 2023 season. Fire in the Hole is more than just a roller coaster. Scenes throughout the ride give us a little bit of the history of the Baldknobbers, the vigilante group of the Ozark Mountains.
Okay, behind me is the all-new for 2024 Fire in the Hole. I've ridden the original Fire in the Hole many times, so let's go see what this one looks like. See how it compares to the old original.
The Baldknobbers have set the whole town ablaze. Go!
I'm gonna take your hat!
Chicken! Why those have to be chicken?
Wiley, drop that dynamite or I'll have to shoot.
Go ahead, Marshal. You couldn't hit the broadside of a barn. Ow!
Get after those Baldknobbers and stop that fire.
Red Flanders, get back here and put on your pants.
I can't, Sadie. I ain't got no pants no more. The dang Baldknobbers stole them.
Stole them? What in the city hell would they want with your pants?
They don't call me Bugs for nothing. Don't worry, they don't bite. Fudge.
Hurry! The Baldknobbers are gonna blow up the bridge! Get that crate over here!
Don't mess up my new pants, you ornery
Pack
fool.
them bundles under the dresser!
Can't you even tie a ding-dang knot?
Hurry!
What's the matter, Bugs? You chicken?
Watch out, you dang fool! You're gonna fall! Now look at what you done!
Uh-oh, I think I'm stuck. I can't reach.
Bridge ain't gonna hold. Bye-bye.
Bugs and Patches, we foiled your plot, and now we're using your dynamite to blow up the water tower and put out the fire.
Don't throw that switch. The train's coming that way.
Tower's gonna blow. Fire in the hole! Thank you, heroes. We couldn't have caught those good-for-nothing Baldknobbers without you. Give yourselves a big old pat on the back. You deserve it. And it'll also put out any stray sparks. So long.
Check out Thunderation next by clicking on the link shown here. And until next time, be safe and remember, have fun, let's travel.